Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to learn about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. It is a growing topic nowadays. So, first of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a field of science in which computer is made to think like a human being. It also makes possible to for machine to learn from experience. How learning from experience? For example, I wanted to identify the fixtures of flower. So I first trained the machine to identify the picture of flowers, and then I asked the machine to identify the picture. Okay, so this type we can make a machine, prompt a machine to make decision and identify. Next, the history of artificial intelligence. Learning from the experiences, there are different inventions are going, but first of all in 1950 Turing test is done. In this test, it determines whether the computer is capable of thinking like human being or not. Okay, so this is the first step of artificial intelligence. Next, in 1961, Unimate, first industrial robot made. It is developed by GM, General Motor. So this replaces human being. It has robotic arms to assemble the parts of a vehicle. Different parts to join the parts, to assemble the parts, different parts of a vehicles. We use it. Next, in 1999, IO was launched by Sony. It is a robot pet dog. It is used to interact with human being. It is only used for the entertainment purpose. Next, the in 2011 series came. All of you aware about the Siri and Google Assistants. Siri basically for iPhone and Google Assistant for your Android mobiles. You can ask to Siri and Google Assistant to search for a program, word or any information. Okay. Next, in 2019, the AI toothbrush is introduced. First AI toothbrush is introduced by Oral-B. Okay, it was used for better brushing, and it was connected to the app in the mobile, and when it starts brushing, the app will show where to brush and how long have to brush. Okay, and which place have to brush. So this is a artificial intelligence induced brush. Okay, the these are all the some history of artificial intelligence. Go through this. In next we are now the next is the application of artificial intelligence. Almost in artificial intelligence is used in military to in also military also use artificial intelligence to target tanks, for security, for determining the enemy by producing alarm, also cyber security also there. The second is in hospitals also we use artificial intelligence. So many surgeries were done by robots which a human being cannot capable of doing that surgery. So there are many surgery which are done by robots. Okay, and the next one is the use of artificial intelligence in education. Nowadays most of the schools have smart boards. We need virtual teachers which can replace human teachers. Okay, so this is in education. And the next, in the aviation system also. In aviation system, how we use the artificial intelligence. Like in aviation, it performs the passenger identification, the gate security, weather prediction, customer support. All these are done by artificial intelligence in the field of aviation also. The next is the AI tree. In AI tree, first it is machine learning. I already discussed about the machine learning. Machine learning to train the machine to identify things. Okay, it is also called by the past experience. Next one is natural language, NLP, natural language processing. Already Siri, Google Assistant, all these are used in NLP. Next one is speech to text, text to speech. When you speech, it is converted into text. You already acquainted with these things. Expert systems, computer can make in expert systems, computer can make decisions, make planning, make schedules. Okay, all these are done by computer. In robotics, it replaces human beings. Many companies nowadays use robotics to assemble the different parts of a car. Okay, car, automobiles in the field. It has arms which hold the things and assembled in one place. Another one is vision. It is used, artificial intelligence is used in vision also, like retina scan for open your lock of your mobile. Okay, so all these are the different fields where we use artificial intelligence. Okay, so the next thing is that the best robots in the world. Sophia. I think you all heard about Sophia. It is the first robot which gets citizenship of a country. It is used for marketing purpose only. It is based on AI. It behaves like a human being. It make decision also, can take decision also. Another thing is octopus gripper. It has a soft grip. It is just like an octopus, has no hard skeleton and is made almost entirely of soft muscle. Festo has applied this concept to soft robotics. Okay. The next is application of artificial intelligence. Application of artificial intelligence, already told about that, like Siri, Google Assistants, Alexa, auto-driven cars, driverless cars. It is Tesla company had made this car. Rider sharing apps like Uber. You can track your auto, your car, in how much time your car will arrive. All these things. In social networking, you can see the friend suggestions. You can watch the suggested video by your friend. Whatever type of your video you watched in the past is appeared here. This is all application of artificial intelligence. It is being used by social networking. Another thing is it is also used in e-commerce. When you are shopping, it displays the items of your interest.